Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take you on an exciting journey to master Flutter, the powerful framework for building cross-platform apps. If you're a beginner or aspiring developer looking to learn Flutter, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step to help you become a Flutter pro. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Getting started with Flutter. Start by setting up your development environment for Flutter. We'll walk you through the installation process for Flutter SDK and the necessary tools, such as an IDE like Visual Studio Code. Once set up, you'll be ready to create your first Flutter app. Step 2. Dart Fundamentals. Flutter uses the Dart programming language, so it's important to have a solid understanding of Dart fundamentals. Learn about variables, data types, functions, control flow, and object-oriented programming in Dart. This knowledge will serve as the building blocks for your Flutter development journey. Step 3. Flutter Widgets and UI Design. Discover the wide range of Flutter widgets and learn how to create stunning user interfaces. Explore widgets for layout, text, buttons, images, and more. We'll cover the basics of building responsive and visually appealing UIs using Flutter's flexible widget system. Step 4. State Management in Flutter. Understand the importance of state management in Flutter and explore different state management techniques like setState, provider, block, or mobex. We'll guide you through various approaches to manage and update the state of your Flutter applications efficiently. Step 5. Networking and Data Fetching. Learn how to fetch data from APIs and handle network requests in Flutter. We'll show you how to integrate with RESTful APIs and handle asynchronous operations using packages like HTTP or DO. By the end of this step, you'll be able to build apps that communicate with external servers. Step 6. Flutter Packages and Plugins. Discover the vast ecosystem of Flutter packages and plugins that extend the functionality of your apps. We'll introduce you to popular packages for navigation, database integration, authentication, and more. Leveraging existing packages will save you time and effort in app development. Step 7. Testing and Debugging in Flutter. Learn essential techniques for testing and debugging your Flutter apps. Explore Flutter's built-in testing framework and debugging tools like the Flutter Inspector or DevTools. Proper testing and debugging practices will help you build reliable and bug-free Flutter applications. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering Flutter. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled Flutter developer. Remember to practice regularly, explore advanced Flutter topics like animations or custom widgets, and stay updated with the Flutter community. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials and tips. Happy coding with Flutter!